Now we're gonna start a new chapter, which is about the functions. So let's create a function, and usually you create the function outside the main function. So let's create a function, and in the beginning we write void, and in the upcoming videos I will explain what we mean by the void, and or maybe we put integer or double over there. For now, just let's keep it this way. So let's name it my function, and so this is the way you write a function. You put the type over here, and we put now void, and I will explain that later. And then you put the function name, and then you put the parentheses. You have to put this parentheses when you're calling the function and when you're defining it. So right now we're defining it, and we must put this over here. And then we're gonna, after that, we put our statements up inside our function. So what we're gonna say, okay, let's create an integer, name it x, and then we're gonna say x equals 4, and then we're gonna output the x. So, and over here you could also put return. Or if we have void function, you have to put return without anything. Sometimes if we have integer, or if we have kind of integer function, then you must return over here something like you put either x or maybe an integer value. But for now, we're gonna explain all of this later. Just for now, we're gonna have void, and we're gonna put return without anything. So now I have defined my function, which is my function. We named it my function, and over here I'm gonna just call it. And the way to call function, you just type the name with the parentheses included, and that's it. So if I run this program, what's gonna happen? And actually, let's put some statements. We're gonna say hi, and then also some. And so yeah. So what's gonna happen over here? We are not gonna start from here. We're gonna start from our main function. Even we have written our function over here, we are not gonna start from here. We will usually start from the main function, and then we're gonna say okay, and let's put another statement over here. So just we're gonna say I am a program. So what's gonna happen over here? We're gonna start from the main function, and then our main function gonna print out that I am a program for us. And then what's gonna happen over here? It's gonna see that we have called a function. So what's gonna happen over here? It's since it's have seen function, and we said don't forget to put parentheses. It's gonna jump over here immediately, and it does all these statements inside our function, which is we're gonna create integer, and we're gonna print that integer out, and then it goes. Actually, let's print it something different. We're gonna say, and then after that, after printing the x, it's gonna see return, so it returns back, so it jumps over here and it continues its what it was doing. So basically it print this first, then comes here, jumps over here, and then comes over here after finishing the function, of course. So it's gonna, after that, print hi and how are you. So let's compile it and see what happens. So it says I am a program. As you guys see, it's first executed this one, and then executed the x for us, and we have to put an speech over there. So let's run it again. So first it runs this statement, and then it comes to the function, jumps over here, and it sees that we have to run this. It runs it, and then jumps back to hi and how are you. So this is the way to create a function.